Well, hello. This is a special video. I didn't think I'd ever be making one like this again. It's for anyone thinking of moving out here and opening a bar and wanting to build a house. Because I stumbled across this fabulous little place and I've got to tell you about it. I really have to. So, you'll see from the video, it's a bar with parking space, 1.5 stremmer, which is 1,500 square metres, and it's a bar, the building, the car parking space, and there's planning permission which has to be refreshed to build another 200 square metres on the site, and the price includes the tables, the chairs, the stock, everything, and it's running at the moment. It's been running for about 10-15 years, so I go there regularly. But the owner wants to retire, and it's a lady. The price is commensurate with what it is. It's a beautiful place, I'm telling you. I would turn it into a nightclub, opens at 10 o'clock at night until 3 or 4 in the morning. Like some of the places, that's big money out here. Anyway, contact me if you're interested. I'll put an email address on the end of the video for you, and I'll arrange everything for you. Got a good lawyer here, look after you. It's worth every penny. It's a lovely place, and it's regular local business. It's on the main road between the north coast and Corfu town, so the road is quite busy that it's on. What it needs is a bit of English TLC, to a little bit of promoting, because the current owner has lost interest from years ago. So with a bit of pushing, this could be a real money spinner. And also you can build another 200 square metres by refreshing the permission, which is no problem over here. Once you've had it once, you always get it. The building permission, that is. So, there you go. Watch the video and the email address will be on the end if you're interested. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. This is a lovely property. 1,500 square metres of land and building. All ready for an apartment to be built upstairs. Σιγά σιγά, no problem. That is a fantastic winter fire. Big logs, and it's beautiful, I know. Nice bar. Nice little kitchen, very nice, just right, not too big, not too small, but it does snacks. Two sets of toilets, ladies and gents, nice and clean, very nicely equipped. This is the ladies, and this is the gentleman's. Just set up for the Greeks who like to play cards in the evening. It's a lovely bar, this is. Easily turned into a bungalow as well. A nice busy road with lots of passing trade. 3 metres behind is included. Even the banana trees included. The extra land you can see behind, not included. My old jam jar there, parked, because I'm having a drink. Plenty of parking. Nice patio here that's covered. And a beautiful garden in front. Neglected at the moment, but it used to be beautiful. Cheers.